Hi class, I wanted to show you something that may help some of you as you're completing these simulation exercises. I know that the instructions over here on the right can get pretty lengthy, so I wanted to show you a tool inside the simulation to help you, especially if you are an auditory learner. Down here there's a tool called Launch Accessibility. Go ahead and click it.
Accessibility on.
And it turns on this floating menu. It's going to be a little bit down here. It was hidden. I moved it up. I just clicked in that title bar and moved it up. And then there's this button right here. It's called Click Navigate. When you turn it on, you'll click it. And now I can hover this cursor over pretty much anything in the space, in the simulation, and it's going to read to me. So I'm going to click over here on the instruction.
With the insertion point in the blank document, on the Insert tab, in the Tables group, click Table.
And you can see I can actually complete the instruction as it's talking to me. I can go ahead and click this again and click the next instruction.
In the Insert Table grid, in row 4, click in column 2 to insert a 2x4 table.
So I went ahead and completed that
Question
skill.
completed. Launching next question.
So what I'm suggesting is that I know that this space can get a little overwhelming. I know there's a lot of steps, especially in that first simulation. I know there's some very lengthy steps. So check out the accessibility. It's meant for everybody. Definitely if you're working on campus, you want to have some headphones so that it's not super loud for the people next to you. Let me know if this helps you.